friends! Let's learn our farm animals in English and in Spanish.
It's Angie's Playroom.
Our first animal is a horse. How do you say horse in Spanish? Caballo. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Yes, muy bien. Oh look, it's a pig. Do you know how to say pig in Spanish? Cerdo. And what sound does a pig make? Yeah, oink oink. This next animal is a cow. Do you know how to say cow in Español? Vaca. And what sound does the vaca make? Great job! This next animal is a bull. How do you say bull in Español? Toro is Spanish for bull. Great job, friends! This next animal is a rooster. How do you say rooster in Spanish? Gallo. Rooster in Español is gallo. Let's see if we can finish some of these puzzles. This one looks right. Great job, friends! Perfect fit. Now let's look for the pig's tail. Perfect! Up next we have el caballo, the horse. Not this one. This one. Great job! No, that's a cow. Perfect fit. Great job, friends. Up next is the rooster. It's this one. Great job. Does this one fit the rooster? No. What about this one? Perfect fit. Now it's time for the cow. Which one of these pieces is the cow's body? Great job! Now let's look for the other side of the cow. There it is! We did it, friends! Great job, friends! Thank you for joining me today while we learned our farm animals in English and in Español.